For optimal performance, regularly wipe Roomba's camera window and floor tracking sensor. To clean the camera window, wipe the clear window on the robot's top surface using a microfiber or soft cotton cloth that has been lightly dampened with water or a screen cleaning solution. To clean Roomba's floor tracking sensor, turn Roomba over and use a clean, dry microfiber or soft cotton cloth to clean any debris that is accumulated in the round sensor opening on the right side of the robot's bottom surface. Do not spray cleaning solution directly onto the robot.